Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 19th through July 3rd. For July 19th to 23rd, we still have this strong ridge over the Four Corners area above Nome Heights in the east, and we have a trough here with the above Nome Heights in the west, with the trough here in the east. Models a pretty good agreement with that. Now, the strong ridge over the Four Corners, we're going to look at that in the, let's see if I have the right map. On the upper level map, and this is what it looks like. Here's our ridge here, 594 DM. Here's our trough. Here's our upper level energy. Here's more upper level energy. And this will continue to cause very hot temperatures. We're going to take a look at the current temperatures across the area. We have some hundreds, over 100, 102, 101, 100, parts of Nebraska. And this is areas that are very dry. And even, I was going to match even further to the east, there's some very high temperatures. And this current, this regions continue to experience dry conditions. Now, the trough over the east central states will allow for several fronts to cross through and bring periods of heavy rainfall. And we'll take a look at that at the surface. Here comes the first system. And here comes the next one. You can see like next week. And that seems to be the pattern. Now, the National Hurricane Center continues to monitor an area of low pressure in the Gulf. And we'll take a look at the satellite imagery now. This is what it looks like now. Here's the center circulation. Remains disorganized. And this system is forecast to be a depression or a storm late tomorrow or Friday. And we'll take a look at that also on the surface. And this will bring some heavy rainfall to parts of the southeast and the central Gulf Coast. Now we go here to the 18th, 19th. Now you can see the low is in the Gulf here, bringing very heavy rain here. This is the GFS. Here's the Europeans, a pretty good agreement. We go forward in time. Now it moves inland further and brings heavy rain. What else I want to show? Show that. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for June 24th to 28th. And a ridge is forecast across the North Atlantic, which supports a trough here in the east. And we have a ridge over the west. Here's our ridge now, centered here. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal. And below normal temperatures forecast for much of this area here, with anomalies near 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, below normal precipitation forecast for this region here, probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And we have above normal precipitation from the Mississippi Valley to Atlantic coast, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look ahead for June 29th to the July 3rd. The height anomaly fields remain generally the same, ridge, trough configuration ridge here, but it is less amplified and will gradually transition to more of a zone of flow within time, like you see right here. So all in all, this is what I'm forecasting for this forecast period. I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 48 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast for this region, and anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal are forecast. And for rain, calling for above normal precipitation for the western states, probability of occurrence 35 to 45%, and we have above normal precipitation for the southeast and the mid Atlantic region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 19th through July 3rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.